So me and Evie are going to be doing some advent calendar unboxing. It is now the beginning of January 2019, so I did manage to get a few in the sale, which is what we're going to be doing now. So I'm going to be doing one and Evie's going to do this one, and this one is the
London 12 Days of Sleigh.
So this is the Lottie London 12 Days of Sleigh. That's it.
Might be upside down.
No, it's fine. Right, so I want to sort of see if we can do it sort of holding it like that so that people can see.
So I'll first start with the first one.
We've got balloons and stuff because it's actually Katie's 16th birthday party today. We've all been poorly, so her actual birthday on Thursday we kind of missed, so we've had a little tea party for her today. Can you manage? Mm-hmm. Right, so for day one,
I think it is lip gloss.
Lip gloss. I need to show.
Is that lip gloss?
So she has a lip gloss.
And
yeah, I think that's a lip gloss. So that's number one. Camera put it. That's it.
Shimmer Squad. I think is that what
Yay, well done. And that's a Shimmer Squad.
So I
So
think
it's highlighter.
I'm going to sit on your arm in a minute.
So she got the goldeny highlighter.
You can try and get these if you want your own makeup. Katie's just got a makeup set and a load of makeup. So Katie's
I went a bit mad with the advent calendar sales and bought Katie loads.
Oh, I accidentally opened 8. I thought it was 3. Yeah.
Try and stand it up so people can see. Hold it like
I think this is another lip gloss. And I think it is.
Oh, that's a pretty one.
Looks really pretty. You might not be able to see how pretty it is.
That's a really nice sort of... Oh, it's called Hollow.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is a holographic one, and it's like a pinky colour, which is really nice, nude pink. So you're going to have lots of nice new makeup, aren't you? So with this calendar, they are tiny products. Well, not, I mean, they're not tiny, but it says 11 minis and 1 full size. Can you manage?
I'm definitely going to give all this to someone because I do not like makeup. I'm not interested. Well, maybe when I'm older I might be.
So she got an eyeshadow in like a taupey colour. Because you don't like makeup?
I'm not interested
I said you could have this to play with.
So I'm only 8, so how should I be interested in makeup?
No, but other little girls are. So yeah, that's a taupey colour. This is Mummy's giving you this so you can play with it.
Okay, maybe I'll...
Oh, she likes it now because there's something glittery.
So I think this is eyeshadow or
glitter eye foil.
So it's definitely for your eyes. Let me see it. Okay.
Oh wow.
That looks kind of...
Shall we do it on swatch? Let's swatch it on your hand and show them. That'll look so cool, won't it?
I turned into a glitter monster.
Can you see, let the light reflect on it? It's a bit hard to see, but that's really pretty. Should we put a bit on your eyes?
No, not yet.
Not yet, okay.
My foot is itchy.
So that is an eye foil. So it's basically like silver glitter to go over your eyelids. Right, so number 4.
No,
5, no, 6. Hold it up.
Is that, yeah, it was 6.
There, look.
I think I'm turning
Stand it up and open it. You're covered in glitter now, look.
What? It's another one of these. Let's see.
So we've got another Shimmer Squad.
It's a little bit different.
This one's a bit lighter.
Yeah.
That's it. So she has another Shimmer Squad.
Just remember, where did you get them from?
I'll put it on the end because I can't remember. Oh, Pretty Little Thing. I got these from Pretty Little Thing.
And So they might be.
I think this one was $3.99, or it might have been the Technic Cube that was $3.99. I'm not 100% sure. I'll put it in the end bit and let you know, or in the description and let you know.
Metallic. It's metallic.
Is that a metallic lip gloss?
Let's see. Wow, that is cool. Guys, you gotta get this. It's...
If there's any left. There was still some on Pretty Little Thing.
Yeah.
Anyway, oh, and the best thing ever about ordering from Pretty Little Thing is the stuff came in a pink unicorn bag.
Wow, you're really obsessed with you.
Yeah, but it came in a pink, you know the parcel bags? It came in a pink parcel bag with unicorns on.
Wow. I also got a phone for Christmas.
You did, didn't you?
Yeah, and I got a unicorn phone case and a unicorn pop socket.
Yeah. Right, so where are we now?
7, I think.
Hold it up.
8. I accidentally opened that earlier.
You can put all this with your Frozen makeup.
No, my other makeup thing.
What other makeup thing?
The flower.
So we have another eyeshadow. So these would be ideal for like travel because they're little.
So if you ever want to go somewhere hot, if it's in winter, that would be really cool to do. I wish I could go to Turkey in winter.
I don't think we'll be going to Turkey this year because it sounds like it's getting all trouble again.
So it's another...
So another lip gloss. So there's a lot of lip glosses in there.
I think this is metallic again. Let's just check. Yes, it's... I don't think it is.
No, I don't think that one's metallic.
It's quite nice.
It's like a nude colour.
Yeah. And if you want to see more videos, you can just type in... I forgot your YouTube channel name.
Just say Lindsay.
Yes. It might come up with some few odd things, but you might have not spelled it correctly.
Oh, I was going to say, I thought you were going to say my videos were odd.
Why would I say your videos are odd?
I don't know. Right, so let's see number 10.
Just to know, when I said earlier, just Roblox and more, I mean,
we didn't put that bit in, so yeah, let's restart that again, didn't we?
Well, oh yeah, well, not that. So, just now, Roblox and more, that's my brother's YouTube channel. It is so boring, so don't watch it.
Brother's nice sort of sibling love here.
He doesn't like me, so...
So apparently Roblox and more is Harry's YouTube channel.
Do you know Roblox?
Right, we've got a really nice highlighter.
It's really cool.
That's like a white highlighter.
It is pretty cool.
So
and also download Sims.
So we have 3 highlighters so far, 2 eyeshadows, 4 lip products and 1 glitter eye product.
We've got another glitter thing. It's white glitter and it looks like it's snow. Lip
so it's some more lip foil, so it's like that glittery one. So,
we're nearly at the end.
It's white, but I think it's actually probably clear. That's that.
So this is called Glitter Switch and it read
No,
me
you
first.
don't need to do that bit. So
Okay, bye bye, see ya.
So this is the full size product.
I think this is lip gloss.
Can Mummy have that? Because
sure.
I actually like that.
I'm not interested.
You can have all the little ones and I'll have this big one.
Wow, there's a lot of stuff here.
So, is that everything?
Yep, bye, see ya.
Right, so that was...
I want to be like this YouTuber with all rubbish. All he does is goes like yeet.
Right,
I wanted to do that, but then I might knock the Christmas tree
we've
over.
got those products.
And we've got this one, if you can read it correctly.
It's upside down, puppet.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. This is my 3rd ever YouTube channel. I mean, not channel. This is my 3rd ever YouTube video I've done. I want to get my YouTube channel. Maybe I'll get it for Christmas one day.
For Christmas. Right, so they're the highlighters. So this one is called the BFF. The middle is the Queen Bee. And the end one is the Good Girl. So there's 3 highlighters, a full-size lip gloss, 2 eyeshadows. I thought there was more eyeshadows.
No.
So 2 eyeshadows, 1 eye glitter, and 5 lip products. What do you think of this calendar? Do you think it's good, bad, okay?
If it says in the the description when you buy it, if it says really bad quality, well, it is really good.
Yeah. So did you like it? Are you impressed with it? It's good for play. It's good makeup for playing with, isn't it? Yeah. So how many out of 10 would you give it?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Yeah.
Right. So Evie has given the Lottie London 12 Days of Slay calendar 9 out of 10. I personally probably wouldn't be overly happy. I just feel that this is more of a sort of a child's one, or some, you know, a young teenager that's just starting out trying makeup. I don't think it's really an adult one very much, but no. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and leave us a nice comment down below, and we will be back soon.
Yes, and if you can watch the other video when Mummy opens her other calendar.
I will be opening my nailing calendar, so I will see you soon.
Bye.